Hey my friends, Paul here. I hope this video finds you well. I wanted to take a moment and talk about a few reasons why I love to work out and exercise outside. So while I do that, here's a little workout routine I did on my last hike. If you have a few moments, hang out with me here, enjoy the sights, and I hope that this inspires you to get outdoors more. Go for a hike, a run, or even get a little nature workout in. If you'd like, you can even try out this little routine I'm doing here. Working out in nature offers a wide range of benefits beyond those associated with indoor exercise. Here are 10 notable advantages. Natural settings, exposure to sunlight, and natural sounds boost endorphin and serotonin levels, improving mood and feelings of happiness, which combats depression. Going for a walk, hiking, working out, playing sports, or enjoying other good physical activities in nature lowers stress hormones like cortisol, promoting relaxation and mental well-being while reducing stress and anxiety. Outdoor environments offer diverse workout options and challenges. The uneven surfaces change the position of that push-up and squat, making your body having to be more adaptable and work a bit differently. This adds a little spice and variety to even the most basic exercises. Sunlight exposure during outdoor workouts increases vitamin D levels, which is crucial for bone health and a stronger immune system. I recently came across a study that showed people who spend more time in sunlight tend to get sick less often than those who avoid exposure to sunlight. Also, those who spend more time in the sun, when they do get sick, their immune system is stronger, which allows their body to fight off that ailment more efficiently. Also, in general, people who spend more time in the sun tend to be happier than those who avoid the sun. Outdoor exercise often feels more enjoyable and engaging, increasing motivation and consistency to workout routines. Look, it's no secret, to sustain or improve overall health or even your body, it really comes down to the consistency of daily routine and practice. Spending time in nature improves cognitive function, enhances focus, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Sometimes when you're out here, it might take a minute to figure out how to adapt an exercise to the terrain. Plus, some of the best ideas spark when out and about outside. Being in natural settings fosters a sense of connection to the environment, promoting well-being and ecological awareness. It inspires observation and environmental awareness. Who else can be out on the trail? What other animals are around? Notice the songs of birds or the different smells of the flora. This opens up the other senses. And who knows, having more of a connection with nature may even help us make better choices to be more kind to our environment. Regular outdoor exercise can help regulate sleep patterns, leading to improved sleep quality and overall restfulness. Good quality sleep is one of those top essentials to good health. Many people find outdoor workouts more enjoyable and less monotonous, increasing motivation and adherence to exercise routines. Being out in nature makes it a little easier to put that little extra push into the workout. Working out in nature simply improves overall physical fitness, with activities like hiking, running, or cycling on varied terrain provide a more comprehensive workout, improving cardiovascular health and muscle strength. For instance, I had a nice hike to get to this spot today, and I have to hike back, spending more time in an enjoyable activity. Overall, working out in nature can provide holistic benefits that contribute not just to physical, but also mental and emotional health. And who knows, maybe even spiritual health as well. I hope that this inspires you to get out in nature more often and bring more enjoyment to exercise. What kind of natural terrain do you live by that you can enjoy? Let me know in the comments. Hearing what others get to enjoy always inspires me more. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button and subscribe. Who knows, maybe one day I'll see you out on the trail and we can get a workout in together. Thanks for watching, and until next time.